Hi guys! Welcome back to another day with us! So for today's vlog, nandito kami ngayon sa clinic because my sister is here for her prenatal checkup. Pero hindi lang prenatal checkup ang ganap namin today. After this, babalik pa kami sa mga offices kasi may kailangan pa siyang ipa-check and process. Then magpapamember din siya sa yakap. And of course, kaming tatlo ang kasama niya today. 3 bodyguards talaga. Bodyguards! Kaya samahan niyo kami sa aming busy but fun day. Let's go! Okay guys, nandito na naman kami. Naglalakad. We're just waiting for sister habang inasikaso yung mga kailangan para sa prenatal check-up. Medyo busy din dito. So habang naghihintay, nagbibideo muna kami. At least may memories din tayo for today's. My sister is doing her prenatal check-up para ma-monitor si mommy and baby. Ang at kaming tatlo naman, standby lang talaga, bodyguard duty muna. Finally, it's sister turn for her prenatal check-up. Habang siya ang nagpapachika, kaming tatlo naman ang nasa labas, waiting and supporting her. You know guys, pregnancy, pregnancies comes with a lot of appointments and things to take care of. Kaya importante talaga na may kasama at may family support. And today, hindi siya nag-iisa because complete ang kanyang 3 bodyguards. Bodyguards! After the check-up, may injection din si sister today. Okay sister, kaya mo yan. Actually, kahit medyo kinakabahan siya, kailangan lang talagang maging brave. Quick lang naman and then done. Ayan, injection time. Don't look at the needle, sister. Ha ha ha. And finally, ayan na. Agoy, ang aray-aray. Aray. And finally, tapos na. Good job, sister. One more mission accomplished today. After the clinic, hindi pa tapos ang lakad namin. We're heading back to the offices because may kailangan pa si sister ipa-check up and process. So from the clinic, balik na naman kami sa office. Medyo nakakapagod ang pagbalik-balik but it's okay because important naman yung mga inisikaso niya. And of course, kaming tatlo still complete. Wherever sister goes, nandyan ang kanyang bodyguards. Next stop, yakap naman. Magpapamember si sister. So we're here to accompany her and help her through the process. Another office, another waiting time, another mission. Pero okay lang yan. At least matatapos din lahat ng kailangan niyang asikasuhin today. Honestly, busy talaga ang day namin. Pero masaya because we're together. Kahit saan kami pumunta, may tawanan talaga guys. Officially na talaga kaming tatlo ang bodyguards ni sister today. 3 bodyguards, here we go. 1 buntis aus unsa di ay, and a whole day of the errands. The prenatal check-up, injection, offices errands, hanggang yakap membership complete package talaga kami today. Pagod pero happy, at least may bonding and memories kami together. And finally, that's a wrap for today. So we started with Addis prenatal checkup and nagpapa-inject siya. Bumabalik kami sa mga offices para sa mga kailangan niyang ipa-check up. And finally, nagpapa-member siya sa yakap. And it was a long and busy day. Pero super fun because we were together. And it's done guys, kaya pauwi na kami dito. I wait. Hindi pa pala, pupunta pala kami sa Prince. So, samahan niyo kami guys habang pumunta kami sa Prince. Actually, parang hindi talaga complete ang lakad kapag walang side trip, no? Kahit dapat uwi na kami, may saglit lang naganap na pa rin. Ayan, pupunta na kami sa Prince. For those na hindi pa familiar sa Prince, isa siya sa mga convenient place na pwede mong puntahan kapag may kailangan kang bilhin whenever grocery, snacks, household essential, or kahit mga random na bagay na bigla mong makikita at maisip na, ay, kailangan pala natin ito. And speaking of the random things, bumili pa rin sila kung ano-ano. Guys, hindi talaga pwedeng pumasok sa store na may specific list lang. Paglabas, may additional items na hindi man kasama sa listahan. Pero okay lang yan, at least happy ang lahat. Family errands can be things sometimes. Can be tiring sometimes, pero mas masaya kapag magkasama kayo. Kahit simpleng grocery or quick stop lang, nagiging memorable pa rin kapag kasama ang pamilya. Ayan guys, malapit na kami. Tingnan natin kung ano ang makikita natin sa Friends Tree. Baka may makita na naman kaming hindi kailangan pero gusto namin. Okay guys, ito na muna tayo. Thank you for watching and for spending this little family moment with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more family vlogs and play every moments, errands, food trip, and random adventures with us. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye everyone. Mag-ingat palagi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!